Captain America is barbecuing, Wonder Woman brings pizza in her shield, and Black Widow sneaks past the security guard. Watch superheroes at a water park in our new video. Here comes playful Catwoman with her ball. Hang on. What's that? My cat stress reliever. Give it back. Turn around. All clear. Fine, you can come in. And here's my ball. There's chocolate inside. Want some? Enjoy! Meow! This is so yummy! Today is an important day for our security guard. He changed his mustache shape, and now he looks even more terrifying. Hold on, Black Widow! You can't come to my water park with a weapon! Try and get past me! Easy! Guys, stop her! Black Widow easily gets past the guard. Come on, tough guy, stop her! That was way too easy. Do you have something harder? That's it, Black Widow. I'm handling the situation personally. Now you are gonna feel the power of my kung fu. Ouch! I didn't notice the pool. Enjoy your swim, guard, and I'm gonna eat my caramel gun. There's a hottie in the water. Aquaman's trident starts signaling him. I need to go to the water park right now. I know a shortcut. I'm on my way. What do you think you were doing? That's so rude. Leave me alone, dolphin. There are crazy things in this pool. What if that was Aquaman? Spider-Man also came to our water park. Hey guys, no food at my pool. I'm keeping that. Oh, and your cup too. I love soda! Hey, what was that? Alarm! A rule breaker! Phew, I can finally enjoy the sun. Whoa, look at her! Can I have your number? What? What's going on? Oh, what a funny little thread! Nice! My spider web is back! It's great that it's made out of cotton candy today! I love French fries! I'll eat them at the water park! But where do I hide it? In my armor! Oh, look who's here! Wonder Woman! I'll hide the fries while no one is watching. Welcome, and stop right there! You can't come in with arm cuffs on. They might get rusty in the pool. Take them off, but I don't know how. They are part of my outfit. Let me handle it. A hammer is always helpful. It's not working. Fine. A real security guard never gives up. Let's try sawing. No, it doesn't work either. Oh gods, I need some zen. I'm a terrible security guard. Hey, don't be sad. Want some fries? It'll make your mood better. So that's what you're hiding in there. Come on. We had a great lunch. And now we have to go back to work. I'll try garden scissors. It doesn't work. Maybe we can just pull them off? Ready? Pull! Yeah! Oops. Great! Yes. Now you can come in. Security guard 007 is here. Food won't get past me. Dr. Strange, you can't come in with your amulet. I know. This is why I'm gonna rewind time. Security guard 007 is here. I'm kinda hungry. I'll go to a restaurant. Oh, my favorite dessert. I could do with some tea. Whoops! I guess this was the wrong portal. This is interesting. What? You're so rude. Take this. Now you won't get handsy. Ready? Set, go! Hold on, Captain America. You can't come in with a shield. This isn't a battlefield. It's a family-friendly cultural institution. No shields at the pool when I'm on duty. You have to leave it there. Fine, no big deal. That's it. All clear. Can I come in? Yeah. The guard didn't consider one thing. Captain America's shield always comes back to him. And the shield has sausages in it. Let's have a barbecue. Not enough sun. The reflector isn't helpful. We need a super plan. Oh, Supergirl! Can you help me out? Will you roast the sausages with your eyes? Sure, hang on. What? My laser is kinda broken. I need to concentrate. What's wrong? Oh, Strange! Can you help me? Start my engine. There we go. Much better. Supergirl, you saved my barbecue. Wonder Woman needs an assistant. Hey, journalist, can you help me? We'll shoot an awesome clip. Superhero News is live. Tell us about the new water park for superheroes. I'm the security guard, and no one can come into my water park with food. Understood? Stop! Yeah, sure. Here, take the mic. The guard is distracted. Awesome! Wonder Woman knows how to sneak in a pizza. In her shield. Get it while it's still hot. Superheroes try to sneak in food all the time. Who do they think they are? They threw a gum lasso, and I got fired from the police. See how hard it is for me to work? All cats love the sun and hate water. Ew, ew, ew! It's so wet! It's great that I have a raincoat and shoe covers with me. Now I won't have to worry about getting wet. But not for long. No! A tsunami! This is so disrespectful towards cats. I've had enough. I'm leaving. Dr. Banner wants to go down the slide.
Wow.
but he's not the right height. I need a few more inches. I should have worn a hat. What do I do? I'll have to call the Hulk. Now I'm tall enough for this slide. Did you like our superheroes at a water park? Then comment below what you liked the most. Black Widow's gun, Spider-Man's sweet spider web, or Captain America's barbecue? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new superhero stories from Troom.